Well done.
मेरी सासू माँ जो है शी टोल्ड मी कि मैंने आपके सारे वीडियो देखे. I'm like सारे सारे क्यों देखे? She has heard me say लौड़िया. She has heard me say लौड़िया. That's all I'm thinking about. Wait, what does this person do? I just want to figure.
He is the ambassador to India from Morocco, boss. He's a
Are
very
you
important
serious?
man. हाँ जी.
Why? You're trying.
I know big people.
You're trying to get passport or something दूसरे देश
No,
का.
I don't want to. It's all, boss. I'm connected.
DHL.
So मैं सिर्फ check बोला, but you thought check. Then there's check, then there's check, then there's
Check.
check.
Check the फटे. Exactly क्या steps किए?
It's like, you know, this all this hand movement and legs तो कर. Indian men don't dance with legs.
We got our reel.
And time now for that award-winning show, AMAs. And Urjita has been on the show 10,000 episodes and has forgotten to put her phone away, but looking very nice. With
I have grown up on this show.
grown up on this show.
When I started coming, I was in my 10th grade.
Almost.
Now
Yeah.
I've graduated.
Just making me look old, nothing else. But with a
Yeah.
fancy outfit now.
Thanks.
Huh?
Thanks. This is sold store, guys.
Yeah, I think at the end we'll get it to stand and you can see it's a very short pair of pants. Who am I to
ये जो
judge?
मेरे ससुराल वाले आ जाते हैं ना actually they are very cool.
I must be their age anyway, na?
Yeah.
Oh
think,
God,
yeah,
I'm older.
No, I think around the same. No, they are older. They are older.
Ah,
They are
बच
older.
गया,
Yeah.
बच
They are
गया,
older. Yeah.
बच गया।
No, but they are very cool. You know. मैं उनके घर पे 2 बार जा चुकी हूँ अभी. They stay in Kerala.
That's it?
Yeah. केरला में
शादी
रहते हैं
कब
ना.
हुई? शादी कब हुई?
शादी अभी जून में हुई. पर मैं
Okay,
उनके
so
घर.
not that much. So that's not
Yeah.
too
So
bad.
like
तो ठीक है।
once before marriage and once after marriage.
Once for approval.
No, not for approval. I was going to approve them.
Why not?
वाला आपके बेटे को संभालने वाली हूँ मैं लाइफ टाइम के लिए.
But did they must have seen you on your shows and all. They must have some idea, no?
So that's what.
So-
So his mom, मेरी सासू माँ जो है, she told me कि मैंने आपके सारे वीडियो देखे. I'm like सारे क्यों देखे? And then in my head, so she's talking to me. Okay, she's saying something nice only. In my head, I'm thinking she has heard me say लौड़िया. She has heard me say लौड़िया. That's all I'm thinking about. She has heard me say गालीज. But then Manu told me, I asked him कि तुम्हारी मम्मी ने कभी तो बोला रहेगा ना कि बहू ये क्या? And Manu said, I don't think she understood also because when you say it, people don't register
Does
it
she
as
pick
a
up your
gali.
Mumbai Hindi and all that, which
Yeah,
is not
yeah,
that
yeah,
easy if they're not raised there.
Yeah, no, I don't think she has because we speak in half English,
So
half
she might
Hindi.
think this all these bad words are like affection, words of affection.
Yeah, maybe quite
Yeah,
possible.
yeah.
Quite possible.
But does she like you? I mean, we should
Yeah,
ask
yeah,
this.
yeah. I think she does.
Huh.
Yeah, she's like good girl. So when I went over there, I saw कि they treat me like I'm one of Manu's friends. Like ऐसा कोई pressure नहीं है कुछ नहीं. In fact, so Manu
One of
has
the boys.
दो nieces हैं मनु के. तो his dad he also said कि अच्छा little Advika, big Advika, both are playing. They treat me they're like ये तो
So
छोटी है
they
इसका
now
इतना
think
नहीं.
the niece is you.
Yeah, they treat me like that only.
Then you marry
मुझे
the
कुछ-
son.
मैं वही सोच रही थी 5
Don't
मिनट
look
हो
at
गए.
me, बेटा.
5 मिनट हो गए. साइरस ने
Silence हो गया,
awkward कैसे नहीं किया?
room में silence आ गया. But
नहीं, but ठीक है.
and correct me if I'm wrong. We have a Malu expert right here. But Malayalam cinema is famous for the comic. The character. Am I right? The guy is a comedian. The hero normally. There's a very funny. The satirical. No, what satirical
Who?
bent. The style of cinema, the style of writing and all is very satirical, right?
Yeah.
No, so I'm saying अगर Manu comes to his parents and says कि शादी होने वाले है और what does she do? She's a comedian.
हाँ.
I would think it's the one state where they will be happy to have you because there's a lot of respect for humor and satire.
Oh yeah, that way. Yeah,
So in
I
that
think
sense,
there is. Yeah,
you've
yeah.
gone to the right place.
Yeah,
Now
yeah,
I'll not name other states. एक दो है
Yeah.
where you say comedian and then throw the chappal straight away at you. So
Yeah.
just
Yeah, नहीं they were like if your parents approve of it then do it. They are like कि दो जिनके जिनके
जिम्मेदारी
बच्चे
मेरा
हैं
नहीं है।
हाँ जिनके बच्चे हैं वो देख ले अपना हम कौन
fair
होते
point.
बोलने
Very
वाले.
fair point.
Yeah.
Bit
Yeah.
clinical but fair.
Yeah. But you tell me what is up with you, Cyrus?
Wow, तू तो rapper बन
Yeah,
गया.
I know.
I feel intimidated.
I do this to dominate.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You know, I
Yeah, with my squeaky voice, I'm here to dominate.
I went to a event where they started dancing और जो youngsters मतलब I think your age group 30s में
I'm 27.
हाँ जो late 20s early 30s that
Yeah,
age
okay,
group whatever
fine,
but
हाँ.
much younger than me
Yeah.
and they started dancing and you know when I was young even like we all did the same Amitabh Bachchan steps and all that
Yeah.
you know Hindi songs playing
Huh.
Now everybody's doing these rap moves. Well done. On the floor.
नहीं.
I'm not joking. I was like,
Really?
what's going on?
I think they're
the
doing it
generation.
just to think, just to
Hindi music and they're rapping.
और क्या steps किए?
I don't know. I got scared.
नहीं.
I
थोड़ा
said-
तो मुझे क्योंकि समझ नहीं आ रहा exactly क्या steps किए.
It's like you know this all this hand movement and legs to कर Indian men don't
Yeah.
dance with legs.
We got our reel. Domination. Woo!
Can you dance again?
No. मैं तो I still do the Amitabh dance step.
What are you saying? You're my generation.
Yeah, I don't see. When I have to, I can dance only when I'm on stage, like proper dancing, because I used
On
to
stage
dance.
as a performer? अच्छा,
Yeah,
on
as a
stage
performer, yeah. But
dancer.
ऐसे chill dance के लिए तो मुझे
Oh, once you
awkward feel
flexing हो
होता
गया
है.
इसमें, I missed out the flexing. You were a trained dancer.
Train as in या school में, college में I used to dance with my
नहीं,
group.
सब लोग स्कूल और कॉलेज में डांस करते थे. उसमें क्या है? वही वो
Yeah,
trained
yeah.
dancer.
What do you say train?
Like-
ऐसे वो
like a
शामक
teacher-
दावर वो सब
Classical Indian classical
नहीं,
dancing.
Western.
Okay,
I have
Western
it. Yeah,
shamak davar,
freestyle.
jazz dancing.
Not शामक दावर, but कल्याण का local जो dance.
Kalyan ka shamak davar,
Yeah,
yaar.
yeah,
So you went to a class and they
Yes,
taught you,
yes,
no?
yes, yeah.
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, we have to find out कि ये सच है या नहीं. Please, can you do little dancing?
No, I
upper body. Because we can't frame it now. No. This is upper
मुझे
body.
यार
Like,
ऐसे
The jazz dancing, all that shit.
I can do Bollywood dancing.
Like what? In only upper
एक
body?
टाइम पे मेरे को वो टटिंग जैसा वो आता था
Tutting?
बट अभी I'm not sure if I can do it. No, I can't do it. Yeah. But then there's b-boying वो सब मैं करती थी.
What the
But
hell were you doing
mostly-
right now?
Yeah.
I thought you were sending some Morse code to some lost sailors in the sea or something.
नहीं मुझे बॉलीवुड स्टाइल आता है ये ऐसा
You're one of us. You're really one of the boys. Your in-laws are right. You're just one of the bad Indian boys who can't dance. You do a lot of acting about dancing. Nobody dances.
because in my wherever I went no they kept telling me Urjita your expressions are very good keep focusing on them
But that's a-
they like हाथ
You
पैर
know
इतना नहीं
something?
चलता है
I think in dance, when you do the dancing on the performance on stage and all,
No.
the guy or girl with the good expressive face
Haan.
always in front, even if their dancing is not good.
Yeah, I was
Because,
that person
because it's very important for the audience to connect with that
Yeah,
person
yeah, yeah.
who's smiling at the right time,
Because-
who's engaging with the face.
Yeah, because that is what was important,
Sure.
right? What is important is that you are enjoying the dance,
Yeah.
and I would enjoy anything. So I would
That's safe.
art form, guys.
क्या बोलते हो?
But no, ऐसे नहीं कर सकते.
But I
ऐसे
agree.
नहीं
I think the
सकते.
person who's enjoying themselves genuinely because it's
Yeah.
infectious.
Yeah.
Especially
Yeah.
stay in the front row so that we have that communication with the audience.
Exactly.
Even though your legs are not as good as the other people's legs who steps and all that. you know,
Yeah,
those
yeah.
guys obviously they'll be fantastic dancers also,
Exactly.
but some of them don't have good expressions.
Exactly. That's
It's very
true.
funny.
That's true.
Fabulous legs moving all over the place
Yeah,
and dead.
Yeah.
Amazing.
Yeah. And I remember you were also known for your expressions. I know that. मैं देखा है MTV ठीक है मैं
Yeah.
देखा है
Yeah, I was all.
मैंने तो इंडियन फ्रेंड्स भी देखा हुआ है
See, everybody
Yeah.
has a sad story. Everybody has pain. Everybody has an old relative who's in, not well. So like that, there's hello friends.
No, but I'm genuinely mean this as a compliment. Whenever like पता नहीं बचपन में भी मेरे दिमाग में ऐसा पर्सपेक्टिव था कि मैं बस देखती थी एक्टर्स को और VJs को मैं देखती थी I would try to guess कौन पैसे के लिए कर रहा है और कौन फन के लिए कर रहा है and Cyrus would always look like पैसा तो होगा इसके पास ये तो मजे के लिए ही कर रहा है
You intellectualize VJ. That's so scary. It's the most stupid profession. Background में
No.
green chroma, इशारा finger से, and next ये गाना, and next वो गाना.
नहीं उसके बीच में भी बहुत बातें होती थी यार ऐसा नहीं है
It's
यार
fun.
but
I had a lot of fun in MTV. I can't
Yeah.
lie.
yeah
I had a lot of fun, not just shooting, but even outside the shooting thing. Because I was like a Pomeranian. I would push all of them to start.
okay
Because people would come to MTV like government job and say, अभी क्या नाश्ता में क्या मिलेगा, अभी क्या करें हम लोग, what should we do यार? I'm like, ready है? ठीक है, whatever, let's see यार. Hey,
हाँ.
Bocha, don't rush यार, relax.
but you had that youth energy ki come on let's go
5 times worse than what I am now. Now I've given up a little bit
Yeah.
because life has been bad. But
yeah but even now you're very energetic dude you're more energetic than most people I know of my age and younger
I came on time for the show. I was the first person here for this shoot. I waited for 1 hour for the first shoot to happen. And I'm
What-
just saying,
what
nothing
are you
has changed. Nothing has changed. So me and Deepak Dhar, who's
Huh?
now head of Endemol and like Bani Ji and all these
Huh?
things, he started with us as a producer.
Hmm.
We both used to be on time. We used to play cricket. Bombay Labs studio में. What do we do? Find a bat, find a ball, we're playing cricket. That's our job. That's being a VJ. And a
Really?
producer, yeah.
So everybody would be late.
If people don't come, we can't start. If one camera operator is missing, if one sound guy is missing, if one
Oh.
bloody makeup person is missing, for the women sometimes they refuse to do anything without
Yeah.
proper makeup.
Yeah,
We
of
would get
course.
away because I was young. Kya skin tha?
Okay, come on. You also would apply makeup, I know.
No. I
You
used
won't?
to do many shows without makeup.
Really?
What is that? I was in my 20s. Skin was flawless.
Wow.
People would put water, they would just go around like that, you know. It was fantastic. My skin was like a baby ka bottom.
What are you saying?
I don't want to say in Hindi, it sounds dirty.
Yeah. So
Baby
you
ka?
तो आप आईना नहीं सीधा बेबी की बॉटम देखते थे?
No, others would see. Others would see.
Why?
I don't in the mirror, but they would see. Yeah.
More new moms
They-
looking
they
at
think,
their
"Hey,
baby.
but- yeah,
Cyrus?
Yeah, ना आज तो हो गया ना.
And her husband is ordering Cyrus.
one
How
audience-
come?
Ujjwala, one audience is not laughing. She's feeling nothing for us. Oh, she's getting angry. Why we're talking too much?
We have to go through the questions or what?
No,
अच्छा,
no.
Oh, no. Okay.
Now we don't have to do any
आएगा.
work. We look,
Yeah.
it'll appear, we talk.
Yeah. Whenever you want, you can just flash
you
it on
do-
the screen.
Exactly. You
Yeah.
interrupt us, na?
Yeah, flashing anyway happens by
No.
surprise, so it's okay.
Nobody flashes me.
Why? You're
I
feeling
don't-
sad about it?
Yeah. I've all these girls I've
We
grown
go
up
to
with.
Marine Drive once, 1 p.m.
No.
weekday
My
afternoon.
wife used
You
to
will get flashed, guaranteed.
my wife used to tell me-
Twice experience.
My wife used to tell me the same bus route going from Colaba to Beach Candy early morning to Sophia College,
Huh.
where 3 times it happened. Because
Yeah.
that bus only was flashers.
The flasher was inside the bus.
Yes, in the bus early morning with
तो
people in the bus.
वो बस
मतलब-
वाला क्या बस ही चला रहा है, कुछ और नहीं कर रहा है,
हाँ, something like that.
या वो बस वाला था?
बस वाला
पता
नहीं था,
चला
बस
कि
वाला नहीं।
मैडम पैंट पहन ली तो स्टीयरिंग से हाथ निकालूंगा. What was he saying?
वो BST guys, the bus, there's nobody traveling by bus now.
Yeah,
नौकरी
no.
का सवाल है. I'm worried for what's
Yeah.
going to happen. They're going to cut out the buses. They're going to cut
They
out
have
jobs.
already started doing
So,
that. I
yeah.
remember there was a bus that would तो मैं जुहू से बैंड्रा जब भी ट्रैवल करती थी तो मैं बस लेके आती थी, 10 रुपए में काम हो जाता था मेरा. मैं एक बार 2-3 बार ऐसा मैं रुकी, आधा घंटा 1 घंटा आ ही नहीं रहे थे, I had to take an auto. पता है कितना दिल जलता है जब आने जाने के लिए 150 रुपए देना पड़ता है.
150 रुपया.
Yeah, I feel so
100,
horrible.
150, 75 each way.
Yeah, when I was coming from Kalyan, मेरा cheaper travel होता था because train से आती थी मैं. But अभी
हाँ.
by auto then it's so expensive.
Today how did you come?
Today auto.
कितना? 150,
नहीं
75.
उतना नहीं
कितना है?
अभी 50-60 समथिंग हुआ.
कितना? 50, 60.
Yeah.
Let me check. The पैसा है ये. 50, 60.
Yeah.
That's not that much today.
That's
na,
not
because
bad. That's not bad. I'm saying when you have to do every day like one. Wow. Let me just check what all cards you have. Mohammad Maliki Rajdoot. Morocco का दूत. What?
Ambassador of Morocco.
Morocco का दूतावास. Wait, what does this person do? I just want to
He
figure.
is the ambassador to India from Morocco, boss. He's a very
Are you
important
serious?
man. हाँ जी.
Why? You're
I know
trying-
I know big people.
You're trying to get passport or something दूसरे देश
No,
का.
I don't want to. It's all. Boss, I'm connected.
DHL.
सुन तो
Cyrus
सही.
is like, फ्लाइट से नहीं जा पाए तो पार्सल बन के जाऊंगा, पर जाऊंगा जरूर. Then what else do you have? You have halls.
Halls, I have to keep halls.
Yeah. Why are you keeping newspaper cutouts?
For my dogs, if they make, ना, because wherever I come home, I take the dogs.
Oh.
They come down in the. नहीं अभी तो हुआ नहीं ना. अगर किया तो.
अच्छा, okay.
Just the baby का bottom का same situation है. Then you
Okay.
have to watch.
I just want to guess ये कौन सा news रहेगा. I am guessing this looks like the last page, तो entertainment page रहेगा. I am guessing.
अरे भाई, I have
अच्छा, पूरा का पूरा
my
है, okay,
mother
sorry.
will turn 84 in a few days.
हाँ.
So newspapers come home.
ये ना जब भी कोई ऐसा सवाल आता है मम्मी की बात कैसे कर लेता है साइरस. I
But
don't
no,
know.
अपना generation तो
That's
newspapers. What do you call these newspapers? Written paper newspapers.
Amol Wagmar is 19 reasons to be proud.
Forget that. पैसा तो आ गया ना. I've got
वो
enough for
पैसा
you.
should I money
40.
यही तो गलत कर देती हूँ. पैसा
20.
पड़ा था मैं हॉल्स देख रही हूँ.
Exactly.
पैसा चुपचाप ले लेती मैं. नहीं, DHL. I just had to play the game.
I don't think you'll fit in a Malayali household with this
Why?
attitude.
Because
You'll
money.
take the money
okay.
first, right, boss?
Wow.
What is this nonsense?
Yeah, what is this?
45, 45 total.
Wait, I just want to look at this bill also. Wait. क्या है ये?
Yeah.
Is this a medicine bill? Pharma, Axio कुछ तो लिखा हुआ है.
I can't even read it.
Yeah. Axio तो वो हैरी
But
पॉटर का
I
एक
have
spell
bills.
था ना.
I have bills. I have 45 rupees. एक halls और एक घंटिल.
Kantil, I love Kantil.
Very
It's too good. It
highly
is
underrated.
too good.
In
Yeah.
trouble, voice is giving trouble. Keep
Yeah,
it
yeah,
with
yeah.
you.
This and Kantika.
हाँ.
Kantika very good.
What is
मैंने
that, same?
सेम
Similar?
थिंग छोटी छोटी गोली आती है मैं वो मेरे रिकॉर्डिंग के पहले 6-7 आई जस्ट पॉप इन जस्ट इन
6-7?
केस या
You're
1
an-
घंटे
you're
का
an addict?
या सो एज इन नहीं जब भी अभी वेदर बीच बीच में खराब हो रहा था ना तो
ऐसा
मेरे को
चाहिए?
खांसी है नहीं नहीं it's okay, it's okay.
I offer.
मैं देखा इनवॉइस ना भेजे इसलिए
Bro,
कैश पेमेंट
Bro,
ब्लैक मनी
अगर कुछ इमरजेंसी है तो एटलीस्ट हैव 45 रुपीस ना.
हाँ क्या इमरजेंसी आएगा 45 रुपीस में
वो
चला
पता नहीं,
जाएगा
पर I don't have any other wallet,
नहीं
कुछ
क्या
नहीं.
इमरजेंसी आएगा जो 45 रुपए में जाएगा
फोन कर सके किसी दोस्त को ना 45 रुपीस में.
ओके
हेल्प.
45 रुपीस में आई एम वंडरिंग क्या पैकेट मिल सकता है आई एम जस्ट थिंकिंग
45.
व्हाट कैन यू गेट इन 45
सुपारी, मिलन सुपारी.
45 में आता है तो 5 रुपए का आता था ना
5 है अभी.
पता नहीं रजनीगंधा और 5 रुपए का आता था ना आई
Small
डोंट
मिलन
नो
सुपारी या सफेद छोटा सा पैकेट ऐसा.
हाँ क्या
It used to be 2 रुपीस. कितना है अभी?
यू आर अ मिलन सुपारी बॉय
I don't have it
या
now.
साउथ
because
बॉम्बे में मिलता भी है
in Walkeshwar, every second guy's name is Milan. You don't understand.
तो उसकी क्या सुपारी ले रखी
करेगा एक दिन. Yeah.
नाइस नाइस
So 45 bucks में क्या chips? I bought
हाँ.
30 रुपया में I bought that Lay's just now yesterday
हाँ.
Sunday पे.
या नाइस
वो तो how
Yeah,
much is cold drink कितना होगा अभी?
कोल्ड
Can?
ड्रिंक आई थिंक 30 रुपीस
30,
पेप्सी
20?
40 40
40?
40 only
40 for a can?
yeah
नहीं 30.
bottle yeah
Bottle?
I तो have stopped drinking carbonated drinks so I
Why?
don't know because sugar नहीं खानी है ना तो इसलिए
क्यों?
मैं
बिल्कुल like zero.
मुझे मत not zero but I try
खाना
to
में
cut
है?
down
खाना
नहीं
में
खाने
है
में
क्या?
नहीं डालते मेरी कुक नहीं
जागरी
डालती
है ना.
क्या जैगरी नहीं इतना नहीं डालती बहुत कम yeah I try to cut down
This
because
is Manu side or your side?
no just me
आपने decide
I
किया.
because I know मेरे फैमिली में डायबिटीज के है हिस्ट्री तो आई एम ट्राइंग टू
Oh.
स्टे स्लिम दैट्स व्हाई डायबिटीज बीपी शुगर एवरीथिंग माय फैमिली हैज आई डोंट वांट एनी ऑफ इट सो आई एम ट्राइंग टू स्टे स्किनी
Cholera, leprosy.
आपके परिवार में ये सारी चीजें हो रही है
मैंने
साइरस
अप्लाई किया but we have not got everything yet.
अरे ये डिग्री नहीं है
हाँ,
ओए साइरस को क्या लग रहा है साउथ बॉम्बे में
Can
पता
you
नहीं क्या
imagine?
चल रहा
Tell me,
है मलेरिया सेकंड डिग्री
Vijay, you don't understand. I have friends who are so competitive. Even like this conversation is real. बोले कहा कि oh you know my aunt is suffering from
Yeah.
diphtheria.
Yeah.
हाँ, my aunt has got dengue. They actually in South Bombay they actually do this.
दे
all
आर
the time.
बमन ईरानी इन वक्त
Exactly that.
दैट कैरेक्टर ये तो कुछ भी नहीं
हाँ, what exactly
Yeah.
that. You have to compete
Ah.
whatever the thing is. Horrible
Nice,
people. Don't
yeah.
come, don't cross.
Okay.
Up-
Wow, yaar, what is this way of keeping people outside South Bombay? Don't come because my relatives are bad. Why will I
Relative
talk to
neighborhood,
neighbors?
इलाका,
Ah.
पूरा colony.
That's why I keep coming to Bandra or ये तो
Bandra-
बस
Bandra
बहाना
is very
है
nice. At least till now Bandra is still
तो
nice.
why don't you move here then वो बेच के इधर आ जाओ
What will I? Who? I don't have any woman to live with, no.
तुम्हारी बीवी को लेके आओ यार आओ।
Again?
क्या मतलब
That was a good setup, though.
मैम सॉरी
Ma'am?
I think she should come
I'm
here
Cyrus Chutia, and she's ma'am. Like, what is it? Middle class husband, ma'am.
नहीं आई नीड टू डू लाइक 100 episodes with her just so that I can call her with
She's
her
a Gemini, तो एक side पे she can be very nice and friendly and all that. And she's actually very social. And one side she's really like rude, aggressive, unfriendly.
that side is reserved for you no but
हाँ, 80% for me, but it
Yeah.
happens
वो तो
sometimes.
आपके बिहेवियर की वजह से भी होगा
I deserve it, yeah.
yeah nice. See great this green flag husband I trust Cyrus I'm like ये
25 years, January 3rd पे होगा. 25 years.
Nice,
Who stays
nice.
25 years today in a marriage?
many people who can't afford a
It's
divorce
called majburi.
Yeah. yeah many
Not just afford a divorce also, it's just
Yeah.
a long process. Judge bolega ki please try again. Like we are dogs trying to mate and have a children. You know,
Yeah.
puppies, not children.
yeah you could have gone with any computer example also
I
Please
could
try
have,
again
but that's
later.
not my thing.
Yeah.
I'm an animal
आपको
person.
डॉग को बीच में लाना ही था ना
हाँ, या कबूतर।
ये पाल रखा है साले को
Yeah, कबूतर.
कबूतर yeah fair nice
Shall we start with the
yeah
show?
we still start they have started getting
Shreya,
bored we'll
no,
start
Shreya has been bored from the beginning. I think Shreya is now immune to everything we say. We get no reaction from her. Yeah.
nice
Are and she got angry. Huh. India to see rupees 6.5 lakh crore wedding season. Do you think okay November से चालू हो गया ना wedding
Yeah.
season? I'm going
Yeah.
somewhere next week. Not my wedding, वो तो हो गया. 6.5 lakh crore wedding. How much you spent?
I
सच बता.
how much did I? तो it was
नहीं मतलब the wedding, not how much you spent personally. What is the wedding cost?
वेडिंग कॉस्ट मुझे अभी एग्जैक्ट याद नहीं बट आई रिमेम्बर मैंने अपनी जेब
लगभग.
से बहुत खर्चा किया था पापा ने किया था एंड माय हस्बैंड ही आल्सो
You won't give us a figure.
नो
अच्छा
बट
एक
बहुत
काम करते
कम में हुआ था
हैं.
नहीं इतने
2
करोड़
लाख,
वरोड़
3
नहीं
लाख, 4 लाख,
नहीं नहीं इतना भी नहीं
कम, 4 से कम,
नहीं नहीं
3 से
उससे
कम,
ज्यादा उससे
4 से ज्यादा.
या उससे ज्यादा
How much money people spend on weddings?
yeah and that too like we did it in Ambernath even then we had to spend
क्योंकि अमरनाथ में सब खर्च कम हो जाएगा.
we thought
पानी
because
का
we started with थाने venues
हाँ,
thinking कि
हाँ.
थाने में थोड़ा कम रहेगा शुरुआती 10 लाख just the venue cost the 10 लाख we like ये तो हमारा बजट है पूरी
I'm
शादी का
telling you, people who organize शादीज ना
yeah
कहाँ पे भी जहाँ पे भी
hmm.
नॉर्थ साउथ ईस्ट वेस्ट दे आर मिल्किंग इट.
Yeah.
They're
मैं
milking it.
बट मैं एक बात बताऊँ
हाँ.
सो whenever I see a big wedding है ना I just know कि ये कोई तो गवर्नमेंट ऑफिसर है बिकॉज आई एम लाइक ये ब्लैक को वाइट करने के लिए इन्होंने इतना बड़ा वेडिंग किया हुआ है एंड 9 out of 10 times आई एम राइट I kid you not, Cyrus. Like the other day, I tell you, the other day I told my
Close
dad.
on her.
Yeah, the other
No
day,
too short.
the other day my dad told me that he is going for a wedding, for an engagement that is happening in a resort. और 500 लोग बुलाए. Engagement के लिए 500 लोग कौन बुलाता है यार?
Wow.
Engagement.
And resort
Yeah,
का
yeah.
rates
मैंने
भी.
और मेरे पति ने एंगेजमेंट में मेरे पति ने दुबई में मुझे प्रपोज किया हो गया फिर भी रिलेटिव्स मेरे पापा को पूछ रहे कि अरे हमें क्यों नहीं बुलाया मेरे पापा कह रहे हमको भी नहीं बुलाया आपको क्यों बुलाएंगे सो बेसिकली रिजॉर्ट में 500 लोग बुला के एंगेजमेंट आई एम लाइक one of the parties works in government office no dad said yeah that's very much true they worked in KDMC that person
You're giving all the details यार.
I don't care. I don't know the name. I just know they worked in KDMC. So many people work in KDMC. और मेरे पापा and my papa know so many
डेट
people.
क्या था? दिनांक.
उतना मैं नहीं बता रही. But it happened after June. I remember it happened after my wedding. So that much I
In
know.
June July.
No, June to अभी नवंबर के बीच में कभी भी हो सकता है ना वो.
We'll get back to you with details.
अगर इतना अगर कोई मेरा रिलेटिव देख रहा है तो मैं बोलूंगी मेरे वीडियो ही शेयर कर दो आप इतना अगर मेरी हर एक बात आप सुन रहे हो तो. But yeah.
6.5 lakh crore wedding season. Do you think government should start listing attending a cousin's reception as a mandatory and unpaid public service on our tax forms?
How much money did you spend on your wedding?
I can't remember the sum, but it was quite a bit, yaar.
Oh, now you tell 10 plus. Was it 10 plus?
10 se kam. 10 se
Oh,
kam.
really?
Between
10
5
se
and
kam.
10.
Between 5 and 10.
Yeah, but this is 2001.
Yeah, so it was like.
So today it would be 30, 40 or something.
Yeah, oh
Yeah.
shit.
Yeah.
That was a lot. But you were a celeb also, no?
No,
So-
it's not that. The mom and dad were like, we have to सबको बुलाना पड़ेगा. Because my daughter got married in America, so much smaller wedding.
Oh.
So now सबको and this is 2001. There's a
Yeah.
phone book, you know.
Yeah,
Written phone
yeah,
book.
of
वो
course.
yellow- वो phone book
हाँ,
नहीं.
हाँ, हाँ.
Written phone book में
Yeah.
जो नाम है, and some of the people don't remember who they are. Because it's just written the phone number.
Yeah.
For example, Jayesh electrician. You call him.
Really?
Who's in the phone book? Comes to the wedding.
Oh,
The phone
wow.
book.
Wow.
We had to call.
Are you the eldest son or something?
I am the eldest son, but I'm
हाँ.
the younger child.
क्या?
Check. Your turn. I'm the eldest son, but I'm the younger child. समझ नहीं आया?
अच्छा, okay, you have an older sister.
Hi, beautiful.
ये साइरस ने चेक बोल के मुझे और कंफ्यूज कर दिया कि ज्यादा सोचना है क्या ये वाले इक्वेशन में. नाइस. यू हैव द यंगर
I didn't want to
सिबलिंग
say
एनर्जी.
checkmate because in case you escape, then I'll look stupid.
अच्छा,
So I said
okay.
check bola, but you thought check,
हाँ.
check. I was saying check, check.
Yeah.
Check is so many words. Check,
Yeah.
CZECH is a
Czech
country.
Republic.
हाँ.
Yeah.
Then there's check,
Yeah.
then there's check.
Yeah.
Then there's
चैक क्या है?
Jack is Punjabi for ये ले.
चैक द
ये
फटके.
Jack आ गया.
चैक द
That's
फटके.
Jack.
इज चैक.
Slight subtle difference. Jack,
अच्छा.
Jack.
और चक क्या होता है?
वो तो मैं हूँ. Now she's laughing. So now I got it. She laugh if we make fun of us ourselves.
Yes.
I think that's what will work.
That's true.
We'll try,
That's
we'll
true.
try. Answer the question, no?
हाँ.
It's being funny, but it's too much, no? As we just discussed.
I think anything to save tax. Anything.
No,
हर
but
चीज.
honestly, एक बात बताऊँ मैं.
Hmm.
I don't talk for every part of India, but today in South Mumbai, you go to any kind of wedding or whatever. If you're giving a what they call piramni in Parsi community and other communities, you have to give for the 4 people if you're going 4, na?
Yeah.
You're giving nothing less than 5 to 10,000 rupees.
No, but it depends on how close you, are to the
no,
person.
You just
No.
can't give less.
So you don't.
They
you don't want
mark
to
it
give.
in the register, na? Rocha ka kaya.
Ah.
1,001. They mark it.
Yeah.
This is the peer pressure.
That's true.
So I
That's
keep
true.
telling my mom, just go for things where they say no presents. Worse, they say no presents. You come there, the guy in front of you has a present. They say thank you. and then you're
Yeah,
next.
yeah.
You're
You
like,
have to give. You have to give.
yeah,
Yeah.
just quickly hug.
Yeah. So people in our community also लिखना compulsory है और देते नहीं है. But my dad would always give. He's very giving. ऐसे वो he
But
would
present
give
या पैसा?
पैसा. He would
How
give
much?
1500 at least.
1500.
Yeah. He would at least, and if it's like a relative 5000. तो बट मेरी शादी में और मेरी बहन की शादी में हमको कुछ नहीं आया बिकॉज हमने वेडिंग कार्ड पे लिखा था नो गिफ्ट्स.
हाँ.
तो हमको कुछ नहीं है मतलब एज एन रिलेटिव से तो कुछ नहीं आया. वी बैरली गॉट
और
एनीथिंग.
फ्रेंड से?
फ्रेंड से मुझे मेरे फ्रेंड से मिला, सिस्टर को उसके फ्रेंड से, पापा के फ्रेंड्स ने भी दिया बट द रिलेटिव्स एंड आवर वाणी कम्युनिटी नथिंग.
What are you saying?
Nothing.
The only people who took it seriously were the blood relatives.
Yeah.
Oh no money, no gifts. Huh?
Yeah.
But what's the point of the no gift thing then if people want you to give gifts? It's like a googly in cricket now. I mean, it doesn't make sense.
Yeah, exactly. I think it's more like हमने ना बोला फिर भी आपने दिया. I think the joy is not in please take, thank you. The joy is in नहीं भाई साहब नहीं.
You're right.
It's that.
You're right. I'm
You like
telling
doing
you,
that
you're right.
dance. नहीं,
You're right.
नहीं,
हाँ,
नहीं,
this
नहीं,
पूरा acting करके you've proven your love for and affection.
Yeah. हम ये नई वाला थिंग शादी में भी तो यूज करते हैं ना. अरेंज मैरिज में भी गर्ल कीप सेइंग नहीं करवा देते.
Wow.
नहीं
It used to be
करवा देते.
molestation in the old days. नहीं. Okay,
हो गया. Yeah. What to do?
But I like your thinking. I'm going with this. कि basically it's an old dance form.
Yeah.
Where you say, okay, no gift. You say, no, give. No
Yeah.
give, no give. No,
Yeah.
okay, ठीक है. Thank you.
Yeah. So it's like मतलब देखो जिसने बोला कि गिफ्ट मत लेके आ वो भी बड़ा बन गया और जिसने गिफ्ट दिया वो भी बड़ा बन गया. So it's that दोनों को बड़े बनने का चांस मिल रहा है.
And also government can make so much money if they
Yeah.
tax the gifts.
The government already makes a lot of money.
That's
I
true.
think.
Why am I helping the government? What's wrong with me, yaar?
Yeah. नहीं आपके बच्चों भी यूपीएससी कर रहे हैं क्या? इसलिए आप गवर्नमेंट का इतना सोच रहे हो अभी?
मेरे बच्चे?
हाँ.
One is working with American Canadian government. One is working with Spanish government.
तो उनको टैक्स दो ना.
पता
आप
नहीं.
इनको क्यों देना है?
We are Indians. ना यहाँ पे ना वहाँ पे ना.
Nice.
Next in Nitish Kumar sworn in.
As a Bihar chief
नहीं but
minister.
सबसे important point क्या है इसमें? For the 10th time in the
10th
history of
time.
the entire world, how many serving leaders for the 10th time in a democracy have come back? 10th time.
Yeah.
Ooh.
Yeah.
Anyway, but the great Nitish Kumar, JDU ka chief.
Hmm.
Should the Bihar Raj Bhavan replace his official guest book with a punch card, and after the 12th vote, he gets a free milkshake?
I think he gets much more than a free milkshake at this point. Don't
First,
you
yeah,
think? Yeah.
when in Bihar, if you're in power, you don't pay for anything.
Hmm.
I know this. I have got this from good authority of people who live there.
You know Nitish Kumar?
Very close.
Really? Oh.
I was the one who, when he was younger and losing, because Nitish Kumar has been in alliance with everybody. He's the greatest Indian politician bar none.
Yeah.
Everybody.
Yeah.
RJD, Congress. I mean, and parties' names you won't even know. He's been with them. Obviously BJP. And in and out, against for.
Yeah.
They have to check. Nitish, aap mere team mein hai na? Nobody knows at any given time. But for me, he's the greatest man ever because when he was having little trouble and lost the government for a short while, and people are shouting, not Nitish Kumar, but Nitish Kumar, as in, you know.
Yeah.
I was the one who stood up for him.
As in you did the deed.
No, मैं कुछ नहीं किया.
अच्छा, okay.
I just stood up.
You stood up for
Yeah,
him.
I fought for him.
Okay.
But it's amazing. Only in our country, I think you could be a 10th time returning, chief minister.
Nice.
I mean, just think anywhere in the Western world, democracy, okay, forget Western world, where was there so-called democracy? Do you have anyone returning for the 10th time? Google it. कोई नहीं है.
आप बोल रहे हो तो नहीं होगा.
नहीं.
Yeah. आप झूठ क्यों बोलोगे ना?
कभी नहीं.
है ना? Yeah.
अगर analysis और data की बात है तो I always make sure I do due diligence before coming.
Yeah, but you know, I think Indians are very trusting ऐसे, if you think about it. Like किसी ने अगर कोई बात बोलती मान लेते हैं. You know why? It's
Why?
not because we are good-hearted people. It's because हमें research नहीं करना है.
You're lazy.
हम मान जाते हैं. आपने बोला कि India number 1 country in happiness. Okay.
Correct.
Whatever you say, I'm happy. Wow.
Also because we are seniors, sometimes we have the senior complex. अगर senior लोग कुछ बोलेगा तो ठीक है. It's correct.
Yeah,
Leave
yeah,
it. You're right.
अगर गलत हुआ तो तू गलत, हम नहीं.
Correct.
तूने हमें धोखा दिया. Wow. ऐसे हो
But
जाता है.
I'm your senior, just for the record.
Sorry?
I'm senior.
I know that. It's obvious. With your experience and this, that's why. It's obvious, yeah. No
Experience-
other reason, because we look the same.
Experience is a very painful word for old as you age. When
Yeah.
people say experience, because it's another way of saying Buddha. It's a mean word. Don't say it. Yeah. It's
Okay.
just a subtle, sophisticated way of calling
Okay.
someone old. Don't do it.
Really? No. But I didn't mean it that way. Yeah.
I'm feeling
Because we look the same. I don't care.
same.
Yeah. Same.
I use parachute oil.
Same. Look at the camera. We look the same.
Same,
दोनों
same,
भाई भाई नहीं दिखते.
Same.
बस मेरे बाल लंबे हैं. It's like किसी ने
And-
साइरस पे विग डाल
And I
दिया.
do more bench press.
That's true.
वो तो भाई-
That's true. I mean, it's
Give me that.
come on, come on. You can't really compete with that. No, you can't.
Where were we? What were we talking about?
We were talking about
Nitish
the
Kumar.
next topic.
But
I
what,
think.
what are your views? What are your views
See,
on Bihar
I'm a
elections?
comedian. I don't want to talk too much about politics.
हाँ, safety
अगर
को.
बोला भी तो मैं अपने शो में
No, you
बोलूंगी
talk,
ना.
but go to Pondicherry and then talk. Not here.
Yeah,
This
and-
Bandra police
yeah.
station यहीं पे.
Yeah, and shave my head also in the
He
process.
shaved his head.
I mean,
Shaved his head.
yeah, थोड़े बहुत जो बचे थे वो that also I think he shaved.
Wow.
Yeah.
ये point of law है कि symbolic चीज है क्या?
नहीं 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 वो तो male pattern baldness.
What a supporter you are. Okay. Oh shit. Should we take a break? We should do one more. श्रेया क्या हो गया तेरे personality को? Very
I
low.
think she's enjoying. That is why she doesn't want
I
to
want
take
to
a
get
break.
out of this company and work somewhere else where her dreams will be realized. Chalo, next.
Done. Next.
Pakistan's military success over India in its 4-day clash showcase Chinese weaponry. US House panel, what do you make of this? इसमें क्या अजीब सा चीज है?
ये-
Because globalization के बाद there's no friendship and enemy in business in terms of you're buying defense, you're buying defense. Does it really matter where you get it from?
I don't know. I think see ये लग रहा है ट्रम्प ने लिखा है.
Huh.
ये थोड़ा उसका wording लग रहा है मुझे. Don't you think?
He just met the Chinese premier a couple of
Yeah,
weeks
yeah,
back.
yeah.
Huh. No, I have no problem with this.
Yeah.
Pakistan military says over India in its 4-day clash showcase Chinese. This is firstly their statement,
Exactly.
not our statement.
Yeah.
But where the weapons come from, I mean, what do you expect?
देखो मेरे हिसाब से ऐसे मिलिट्री में कुछ भी हो क्रिकेट में तो हम उन्हें हरा रहे हैं ना.
Yeah, but we lost.
I think that's all that matters to
under
Indians.
19,
क्रिकेट
we
में
lost one
we
game.
lost under 19.
Yeah, just
okay.
now, last week, few days back.
Okay.
But otherwise, we have won almost every game. No contest.
Yeah. मैंने एक ये भी
निकाल दिया.
मैंने ये भी पढ़ा था कि कोई तो जैसे when the women's world cup was happening
हाँ.
so there were memes coming कि एक कोई तो मीम मैंने देखा था कि me trying to convince the BCCI, me trying to convince Jay Shah that me convincing Jay Shah to replace Shubman Gill with Harmanpreet.
But they can't now. His neck is gone. Shubman Gill
What?
का neck का issue है ना. He can't play this tomorrow's game.
Oh
They're recording
really?
on day
Oh,
before.
but neck.
You're a real
कैसे?
lover of the game.
I don't know that.
Shubman
much.
Gill is injured, so
I
Harmanpreet
don't
can
know,
play.
but I don't know.
Yeah, one shot. Yeah, definitely one shot.
Oh.
But you don't want to say anything more about this whole thing that the Chinese have helped Pakistan.
मैंने
and-
इतना नहीं पढ़ा इसके बारे में तो I don't know.
हाँ.
I would not talk क्योंकि फिर नहीं पता मुझे.
So would you buy Chinese weaponry or would you allow yourself to engage with Chinese weaponry? if they're
Yeah,
fighting
just
war?
because of this I
Because
won't
they are
buy
very
their
advanced.
rockets now. Just because of this reason.
Okay.
Otherwise I would
As a
have.
point of principle.
Yeah, otherwise मैं तो आपको तो पता है मैं रॉकेट की व्यापारी हूँ.
Yeah.
यही मेरा काम है.
I, on the other hand, I say no to firecrackers. I say no to anything that makes sound. In fact, I think we should stop podcasts. Too many of them, it's too much noise.
Yeah.
Everywhere you go, people are listening to something. You go into a public place like an airport or a bus stand or
Yeah.
whatever, people are listening, laughing out aloud. I saw someone jogging that day, laughing while running. Ridiculous. Put a stop to all this noise.
Have you genuinely seen anybody like laugh while listening to something?
Yeah, because the
I've
sound
never
is not
seen.
coming through and they're laughing, so it becomes very awkward, na?
Oh.
They're laughing and running around.
Oh really?
Yeah.
You're that observant. Oh.
Yeah.
Yeah. But
I'm
do you
not
ever stop
observant,
to
bored.
ask? Do you stop to ask them कि भाई कौन सा वाला है? And
No,
they
no,
tell you
no.
तुम्हारा वाला तो नहीं है.
No, फिर
ऐसा
वो
तो
social
कभी नहीं.
interaction हो जाएगा ना. I don't want to. I want to avoid that. Yeah, it's
okay.
too much. In the words of Shamak Dawar, I have too many friends, so can't afford any more friends. So if you start talking to people, then next day they'll talk again. Same spot, you meet them again. You have to avoid all this. Yeah, learn from me,
Yeah,
boss.
that's
There are
true.
too many Indians in India and too many friends. We have to stop this.
Okay.
What is that sound in the background? See?
Yeah.
That's why too
That's
many
too
friends. What the hell is he doing? Sorry, you can't see, but engineer is gone berserk. He's banging his feet together. It's strange.
I love coming here because यहाँ पे एक साइरस और एक बॉब मार्ले हमेशा दिखाई देता है.
Really. Bob Marley, stop bobbing around. Just calm down. We'll take a break.
Yes,
We
yes.
talk too
we'll
much.
take
We'll take a
a
break and we'll come back. We have some hard-hitting questions. Now we'll start
Yes,
the show. Second round will be
hard-hitting.
great.
Yeah. You wait.
Did you know Indians report nearly 800 cases of online financial fraud every day, which has resulted in losses exceeding 1,000 crores in the last 5 years? To keep you safe from such fraud, I am starting my newest podcast series, Conversation with Vigilante, an initiative by HDFC Bank. In every episode, I will feature special guests who can share expert insights on the different types of fraud, their modus operandi, and how you can protect your money. Stay safe, stay vigilant, and don't forget to tune into Conversation with Vigilante. Catch the episodes on all audio streaming platforms and V for Vigilante YouTube channel.
Welcome back. No. That when there were more of us, we would not finish even one sometimes. We've done
Yeah.
it.
Yes, I remember.
But वो
that.
बकबक करते बहुत ना ये अंतरिक्ष and all the others, Puneet and all these people, they weren't talking for too long.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's why comedians we should have only one at a time. Too
That's
many.
true. That's
3,
true.
4 was too
Because
much.
every comedian is trying to
Out,
outjoke.
yeah, and
each
make more
other.
noise. Yeah, we don't
That's
need more
true.
noise. No, you saw what happened off camera also. In
तो
case you
नॉइज
joined
नहीं
late.
करनी तो एक्शंस के साथ बात करें फिर,
Beautiful idea.
है ना?
I'm so stupid. I'm doing all my signs here, and the camera is there, so it's even more interesting.
I think if I was made to do this, I'll just keep doing after every few minutes. I would just
Nice.
The
Do with your tongue out like
intimidation.
Bruce Lee. Thumb.
nice,
Very good.
nice, yeah.
What if you put middle finger up in when you're doing sign language like that? Surely it does not mean only dirty things.
Yeah, it must mean something else also.
Of course,
no?
I mean some evolved
But
cheese.
it depends on how you do it. Like if you do it this, of course it's bad. But if you do it like this,
Nice. What if you do like this? Not good.
no. But
And like this.
yeah. Then it must mean something
This is like
else. I'm
Bhangra
sure.
gone wrong. Now what is this? Sorry about this, people. We're just two comedians riffing, trying to get some good material for tomorrow's show. Ab tak kuch hua nahi, but we've got this great guy who bangs his
But
legs
have you
together.
thought of doing stand up full time?
No, it's too late in the night, bro. I get very depressed.
Oh, the time is the issue.
Breakfast, I don't mind. We want to start a breakfast.
But
like,
there are
morning.
many open mics that happen in the morning.
Only told me 12 o'clock Sunday, but it started
Yeah.
at 1:30. That scared me. I'll be here at 11:15 and I'll be waiting
Acha.
till 1:30 and I'll be bored and I'll, I mean.
You can just put your own solo, no? And then solo 3 baje
I'm
rakho.
okay without audience also, as long as we
Yeah.
start on time.
Fair.
Yeah.
Nice.
Do
Nice.
you
So
wait for
time is
do you wait
the
for the
issue.
audience to come? If they're running late, you wait for your audience or you start?
Depends if there are like if there are 40, if I've sold 40 tickets, then I wait for at least 20 people. 20 people आते हैं,
But
then
अगर शो का टाइम है 9 बजे 9:10 पे what will you do if they're not?
9-10 तक ही आते हैं
Are you kidding?
लोग. Yeah, तो anyway the first opening act is somebody else. तो opening act कम में भी कर लेगा.
हाँ.
By the time I come in, it's already I think 20 minutes since the show has
And
the
20
official
minutes में
time.
लोग है या नहीं है?
है आ जाते हैं.
But why can't
उतना
they
आ
come on
जाते हैं.
time? What the fuck is wrong with you as audience यार? Why can't you just come on time?
Hmm.
अगर 9 बजे का टिकट है तो 9 बजे 8:55 पे होना चाहिए लेटेस्ट. Right or no?
Yeah, I think maybe हमारे दिमाग
Instead of
में
comedy for 1 year, all the
हाँ.
comedians should just teach people to come on time.
no people in their heads it's registered that हम टाइम पे तो ऑफिस भी जाते हैं जहाँ पे हमें पैसे मिलते हैं.
Oh, so they're
तो पैसे
anti-time.
दे के या पैसे दे के हम टाइम पे क्यों आए,
Ah.
ऐसा है.
Because now they're
believe that.
proprietor of the firm. So why should we follow your rules? ये अपना rules
Exactly.
है, अपना firm है.
Yeah, but recording shows के टाइम पे comedians are very strict. We are like 10 minutes तक हम रुकेंगे, उसके बाद gates will be shut because you don't want any
But
interruption.
they
no?
are paying for the recording show.
Yeah. But then if recording, then they make it clear, comedians, all of us make it clear कि हम record कर रहे हैं, तो please time पे आओ, क्योंकि then once the recording starts, then you can't enter.
एक बात बताओ,
हाँ.
we are recording this. Why
हाँ.
do you didn't come on time?
You also started late. 10 minutes late you started.
I was here 42 minutes before the first guest. Huh.
Acha, okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. I was 8 minutes late.
You're fine. I'm just joking. And you came by a horrible rickshaw. People who live outside Mumbai, when you travel in the suburbs in Mumbai in a rickshaw, please understand your body parts change. Lung goes where the kidney is. Kidney goes where the testicles are. Not in your case. अपना
Yeah.
case में. Not in all our cases.
आपके बदन में जेली है क्या?
हाँ.
ऐसे कैसे इधर उधर
50
हो रहा
के
है? अच्छा.
It's jolly everywhere, beta.
क्या
It's
बात
jolly
कर रहे हो?
everywhere.
Oh, that's why you're
Yeah.
check.
You know, I've traveled with. Can I say this? I'm sorry to say this. There's
Oh,
another
you're
last-
asking. You're asking. Can I?
I don't.
Can I?
think-
One thing. One rule. There's only one rule. There's no rule. This guy is saying, can I?
Please,
Can
let
I?
me
Okay,
finish
tell.
this story. I got to get it off my chest.
Tell,
In the
yeah.
rickshaw once, we had to rush to go from one shoot to another in MTV. There was a lady with me who was very big. Okay, very sweet lady, but very large.
Bigger than you.
Bigger, very big. And then, of course, in the
तो
rickshaw.
कोई दूसरी स्पीशीज की होगी
नहीं
फिर.
नहीं नहीं दूसरी स्पीसीज से है बट वो रिक्शा ट्रेडमिल के जैसा है ना so everything like shakes everything like that, you know. I mean bro, I don't want to get into it, but you
Why
know.
were you looking?
I
to
wasn't
her
looking. I
side?
was like, boss, what's happening? I'm trapped
Why
here.
is your peripheral vision so
We were
strong?
it's a rickshaw, boss. We're both in the back seat. What do you want to call it, yaar? It's like a love seat, na, first and foremost. Exactly, after every this thing they're going over,
Yeah.
the treadmill is getting more steep, inclined, और उसमें the effect physics के वजह से is, you know, and come on. I mean, boss, that
क्या
should be banned. The rickshaw, not
क्या
fat
ऊपर नीचे
people,
हो रहा था मैं
rickshaw.
समझी नहीं पर
वो
क्या
visual
ऊपर नीचे हो
visual
रहा था
narrative है ना.
पर्स पर्सेस ऊपर नीचे हो रहे थे
नहीं
चुन्नी?
बॉडी का मास डिस्प्लेस हो जाते हैं.
मास डिस्प्लेस
Mass,
हो रहा है
mass.
आँख
My God.
आँख इधर से इधर चला गया ऐसा
हाँ वो भी
वो
but
भी
but
ओके
अगर टॉर्सो की बात हुई तो
अच्छा ओके
you know
क्या
more that area.
नाभि ऐसे फुट
शोल्डर
करके ऊपर गई
गर्दन और एब्डोमेन के
बीच
बीच
में
में
है।
यहाँ जो है वो जो है we let's not get into it but I'm just thinking वो जो एक्सपीरियंस जो है वो very very weird है.
टॉर्सो छाती के बाल
Marco Polo. Sorry.
व्हाट्स मार्को पोलो
Marco Polo is the game when you try to find things and you have to shout. Isn't it you have to shout Marco Polo? Somebody help me.
ये कौन सा 70s का रेफरेंस है आई डोंट नो
Old game है.
Okay.
Old gamer. So you should play these games in the swimming pool. Swimming pool में. You have to say
Okay.
you have to cover the guy's eyes and then he has to find you. And if he's close, he says Marco Polo. Boss, there was no internet. हम लोग क्या करते थे? What do we do to pass time?
In the auto, why were you
Ask
doing?
your father.
But why were you doing Marco Polo in the auto?
No. Auto, I was just thinking when will it end, boss? It was not, no. And अगर ये left पे गया तो you know, let's go to the next question. But you've never felt that
What?
with a large person, rickshaw में?
No, Cyrus.
I swear you're lying. It has to happen. कभी
No.
life में एक बार
I am always in my
Okay, a
phone
fat
or
male?
I'm looking out.
a fat male, a really fat male.
I don't get into the rickshaw then.
That's a good
If
point.
it's yeah.
Yeah. Oof.
Yeah.
What a visual. We'll show to you one day. Micro dramas make a leap from China to India, fueling a new content race. This you should know about, boss. मुझे कुछ पता नहीं है.
Yeah.
Would you ever star in one? Ujjita, this is only for you. What kind would it be? Do you have some recommendations? First, you tell us कि ये क्या है.
तो माइक्रो ड्रामा अभी मैंने देखा है इंस्टाग्राम पे भी काफी चालू दिस अ न्यू वेव दैट्स कमिंग अप बेसिकली दे आर रिलीजिंग दे मेकिंग सीरीज एंड मूवीज जस्ट फॉर इंस्टाग्राम सो मतलब फर्स्ट 30 सेकेंड्स में कुछ दिखाएंगे उसके बाद उसका कंटिन्यूएशन अगले रील में सो दैट इज गोइंग टू
तो
हैपन
पूरी कहानी 1 मिनट में होता है.
नहीं तो पूरी कहानी स्प्रेड आउट ओवर डिफरेंट रील्स
Of 30 seconds.
30 और 1 मतलब 2 मिनट्स जितना भी रील का टाइम है उतना
तो एक वेबिसोड 2
हाँ.
मिनट या 90
Yeah.
सेकंड का है.
नहीं so it's like a continuation so think of it this way
Oh,
if it's like a 20-minute episode it's spread out over say 10 reels
Like how I was
Yeah.
in the rickshaw with the lady who spread out over the rickshaw and the whole of Matunga. But not really. Let's focus on this micro drama. So micro
एक तो
का मतलब is
Cyrus इसलिए आप अमीर बने क्या ताकि रिक्शा में नहीं जाना पड़े
I
is
hate
this
the rickshaw
why?
यार. I hate the rickshaw.
you hate it
The
clearly
first
but you had a good
don't
time
start. नहीं.
no
No. Even me with my low standards. No. But I have to say कि it's the worst experience ever.
I think I am feeling sad for her because for her it would be another experience कि oh my god ये आदमी
No, but I understand कि she takes the rickshaws a lot, but didn't occur to her कि boss this doesn't suit me.
अरे पर क्या फर्क पड़ता है
हाँ,
क्या फर्क पड़ता है
वो
she
एक
can go
perspective
wherever
वो है
but
कि
you are
क्या फर्क पड़ता है,
uncomfortable no you don't go then she
I'm-
can do whatever
Bro, because visual chase भी chase है ना. I mean, you can't completely be blind to it, right? If a man is drowning in a pool, you can't just simply say, "Acha, let's watch micro drama." I mean, it's there in your periphery, na, boss. You
Yeah.
can't just.
But
just
you
look
know,
away.
bald men are also very off-putting to women. They should also cover up.
But that's not, yaar.
That is
this
no.
This is
Bald men are more.
locomotion. ये डायनामिक एनर्जी है.
अच्छा.
डायनामिक एनर्जी और काइनेटिक एनर्जी में बहुत बड़ा फर्क है भाई.
अच्छा.
So what you're saying is a guy's bald is bald. Oh, okay, fine, you're
Yeah.
bald. You're
But have you ever seen a bald guy
In a
bobbing
rickshaw.
in an auto?
How does it look?
ऐसे वो अर्थवर्म बाहर निकलने की कोशिश करता है ना धरती के.
So him and that girl together would have been fantastic. We would have a micro drama of our own. 90 सेकंड में हो गया. Rickshaw will collapse. Fellow will leave the job.
Fair.
Huh?
Fair. Good idea. It's a good
We
idea.
acting. We are so beautiful. मेरे पास बाल भी नहीं है. So what kind? If you had to star in one, so this is a new world, is it? कि 90 सेकंड cut करके
Yeah,
piece it
yeah.
together.
Because I think after a point people realize that the content creators they realize that anyway people are watching Instagram while watching something on TV also. So might as well.
Oh, that's true.
Yeah.
I was the only guy who did that.
Yeah, they have started making series and movies as a keeping in mind that this is like a second viewing screen. Because while you're on your phone, you miss out on important details. So that is why they keep repeating ताकि एक बार तो भी सुन ले.
Wow.
Yeah, so you know Emily in Paris only, no? That's the name, right? Emily in Paris is the first show of its kind that they
I know
have
Amla
made.
in Paris, the building opposite my building.
Emily in Paris.
Amla aunty lives in Paris.
The first show of its
Emily in
kind.
Paris is different.
Yeah, it's different. So they have made it in such a way that people who are on their phone, they will also be able to pay attention. My point is, we Indians, we have been making these shows for the longest time. हमारे जो daily soaps है, पता है ना, why are they so dramatic? Because जो उनकी audience है, वो kitchen में काम कर रही है. तो वो तो सिर्फ सुन रही है.
Oh.
So that is why, माँ जी आप ऐसा कैसे कर सकती हो?
और
कैसे
दोबारा
कर
repeat
सकती
भी
हो?
करते dialogues.
Yeah,
because they are not picking it up.
exactly. So we have been making second viewing screens or series whatever since
एक
time
और बात है,
immemorial.
because my daughter who's young, so I know a little bit about young people. She told me कि the Stranger Things is being shown, that horror show का new season or whatever, on 25th November, 25th December and Jan 1st.
Okay.
हाँ, but each episode is I think 2.5 hours. So one side you're thinking 90 second का, you know, quick cut, then see the next one, quick cut. That's one thing. But why these guys are going back to 2.5 hours for one episode? It's like a full movie is one episode.
Yeah.
ये
But
क्या
that's
है?
a good thing, no?
But how can you have both ways?
No, I feel like, see, if something is engaging enough, even today, I used to think my attention span is very
मेरा
bad.
तो हो गया.
Really?
I just can't look at anything anymore.
That was very funny.
Sorry. Huh.
No, but I think if something is engaging
One
enough.
more time.
Your
No, I
guess.
don't understand market, yaar. एक side से 2.5 hours, and people are apparently, at least her generation, is interested in that date and drop and wo sab, like some holy thing is happening.
Yeah.
And on one side you're saying this what micro drama is a new wave, and 60 to 90 seconds में हो पाएगा.
पर मैं बता रही हूँ ना, ये 2.5 घंटे वाली और ये 90 सेकंड वाली ऑडियंस का भी ओवरलैप है.
कैसा?
Because when you're on your Instagram,
Together?
yeah,
क्या बात है?
yeah, together नहीं, ओवरलैप ऑडियंस का है, वो shows ओवरलैप नहीं कर रहे. But I'm saying if you're on an Instagram and then if you go to a like see, अगर मेरा चल रहा है, Instagram चल रहा है, and if I see like one out of context micro drama reel, then I am like, oh wow, I'm interested. So I open that account and then I watch all of them. So then it's good for that creator ना, जिस इंसान को जो इंसान उसको जानता भी नहीं है, मैंने उसके 10 रील देख लिए.
उसको monetize कैसे करते हैं? Just from the
No,
one
उसमें
view.
तो brands ना. So then once you're done writing the script, the bound script, you sell it to brands और फिर वो brand उसमें अपना integrations करेगा. And then you just put it
So
out.
if the it's a 30-second reel and the brand is वो जो presentation है और पेश करते हैं brought to you by हर किशन दास hospital and हो गया, and you don't even get the whole brand. I'm thinking it's too.
No, it's more subtle. No, like
क्या है?
like basically.
एक nurse है background में.
Maybe they'll wear like Soul Store का कपड़ा on a show.
Oh.
So.
अच्छा plug.
No, but this is not that. Soul Store, you can give me money anytime
This
you
is
want.
this
Okay.
is that right? This
Yeah.
is that right?
Yeah, so like if I'm wearing this and people will start
क्या
commenting.
लिखा है उसपे?
क्या इस पे कुछ लिखा नहीं, बहुत चीजें लिखी है. But इस पे I'm saying
Can you tell me?
people will.
I can't read.
क्या?
क्या चीज क्या है? What are the point of the words that are written out
I
there?
don't know that. It's just.
You just bought it without reading it.
Because I like the.
Always read the clothes ना before you buy.
उस पे लौड़ा नहीं लिखा है.
Ah!
So it's okay.
Old man! they पूरा रिक्शा का कहानी में कैसे बताया तमीज से. I did not once cross the line. I said only visual dynamics.
But you
Okay.
crossed. You
I
crossed.
could have said boobs. Did I say boobs? I never said boobs. What dirty language यार. I'm old man.
लौड़िया.
Daddy क्या बोलते हैं? When you talk like that in front of your
No,
in the
of
show,
course not. Of
But
course
घर पे
not.
by mistake अगर हो गया तो.
घर पे कभी नहीं होता.
But by mistake कभी नहीं हुआ? हाँ?
एक बार गलती से कुछ तो गिर गया था, fuck ऐसा मैंने बोला था. And then मेरी जो niece थी उसने भी उसके 2 घंटे बाद fuck. And then my dad, yeah. So my dad was like, ये ऊर्जा ने बोला रहेगा for sure.
हाँ,
Yeah.
for sure. He
Yeah.
knows he didn't say it.
Yeah.
So the suspect
Yeah.
is you,
Yeah.
mom,
Yeah.
Ben.
Mom and sister, they
Mom
don't
and
say fuck. I say fuck.
They don't say?
No, they don't.
Only you abuse.
But I don't abuse. It's not a
You
lifestyle.
said fuck 3 times.
It's not a lifestyle for me. It's like अभी यहाँ से ये कप गिर
I have
गया.
never heard in 30 seconds anybody say louder and fuck 3 times like that without being in a fight. You just said it for fun.
You said boobs also loudly.
I had to make a point. I
But
only
you-
said to make a
You
point.
talked about boobs for 30 minutes.
I went on a show, 2 cups and 2 girls. They gave me a bag with boobs on it. I'm not kidding. Very sweet girls.
You have the bag? You still have it?
I took
You
it
take
home.
it in autos
See,
with
but
you?
I'm 24
You
years.
jiggle it in autos?
हाँ
no?
मैं करता है ऑटो में अभी ऑटो now is my last job. If nothing works, I'll be driving an auto.
You're driving an
हाँ,
auto.
हाँ.
Why?
It's cheap.
But then you need to know how to drive, no? For
It's
that.
very easy. What do you think? Comedy के
It's
जैसा नहीं
easy.
है. This is all simple stuff.
Really?
Yeah.
It's very easy. How
Yeah.
to? But then you need to like convince the people, na that.
It's like a scooter only. You're just balancing it. You're just clutches there, accelerators there. Why are you making this into rocket science, yaar?
Oh, but then what if you have to cut lanes and all? You know,
That
na,
I have
that's
to learn
important.
that style. Like
Yeah.
perpendicular driving कैसा करते हैं,
हाँ.
all the cars are going this way, you're going that way.
Yeah.
in front of
Like
them.
and also वो ऐसा भी नहीं
Beauty of
कि
rickshaw.
ऐसा भी नहीं जाने अरे सॉरी भैया ऐसा वाला नहीं
कुछ नहीं.
वे क्या कर लेगा
कुछ नहीं.
you need
नहीं,
to
नहीं,
have
कुछ
that
नहीं, कुछ
attitude
नहीं. Eye
also.
contact, कुछ नहीं. You just go bindas like your
Yeah.
pop owns the country.
Yeah.
That's the beauty of the rickshaw.
Yeah, and you-
His pop owns the fucking
But
country.
they look at the car walas like that.
Mostly, हाँ वो नहीं वो
They
aggressive.
did
नहीं,
do
वो
it
नहीं
like
करता
that
है.
also.
They have no respect. It's just like you don't exist. It's just unbelievable.
Yeah.
I've seen them kill people and they just carry on. They don't bother. People die in front of them because you go straight. अगर आप इधर से आ गया, गाड़ी इधर से आ गया, and then some poor old lady is trying to cross, who can't see 96 years old. Gone. What was that you did? हो गया.
But you have seen it in front of your
I
eyes.
have. I would have stopped, but
You
I
have
was
seen
late.
a दादी को भू like that.
नहीं ऊपर तो गया ultimately. वो
हाँ.
metaphor है.
But अभी नीचे
But
गया.
literally, हाँ.
पिचक गई दादी.
Beautiful
You have seen
paradox हो
that.
गया. You went down, but you went up.
Yeah, that's what. Yeah.
Is Anil Kapoor finally getting Tom Cruise full on? He won't do it, na? Tommy नहीं करेगा.
नहीं करेगा क्यों करेगा I think if he had to do it he would do it for Shahrukh because Tom Cruise ने बोला भी था ना he likes Shahrukh in some interview.
Yeah, but how do we know what they really mean? Their PR will tell them ये बोलने का वो बोलने का.
Exactly.
We don't know for
He'll
sure.
do it. I think, see, at this point, India, the only thing India has to offer to the world is our population.
Yeah.
In terms of views.
Give some more.
Yeah,
of the
so any
population.
white content creator, this is a trend I have seen. Any white content creator who's not doing well on Instagram, they suddenly start speaking in Hindi
Yeah.
just to get
Just
that
come to
traction.
India, find some stereotype
Yeah,
moments,
yeah.
and say a couple of words in
Just-
local language.
Yeah,
और हो
yeah.
गया.
There's this one.
How are you, Paji? Huge hit.
Yeah. And there's this one content creator, I forgot his name, but he does like songs on Instagram. Basic. अपना बनाता है, खुद के बनाता है
Gaura
वो.
या Indian?
गौड़ा
Yeah, Gaura.
तो वो गौड़े
use
ने
Gaura, it's
हैप्पी
racist.
दिवाली पे उसने बस इतना रील बनाया था हैप्पी दिवाली दिवाली की शुभकामनाएं and he did not even say शुभकामनाएं properly he said
That's fine. But
शुभकामनाएं
he tried, na?
yeah
That's
but
enough.
Indians we are so loving we are
yeah.
like yeah love it हम अपने खुद के देश के लोग जो एक दूसरे का प्रोनाउंसिएशन गलत करते हैं उनकी मार देते हैं बट ये साला ये शुभकामनाएं बोल रहे हैं we are like we love it आज से हम भी शुभकामनाएं बोलेंगे wow
This is exactly my reaction. I swear by God, this is my reaction. I don't want to do it again because it's been done, but can you do it again?
reaction to what but
Oh, to his language or whatever. Can you do it again? Wow. Anyway, so Tom Cruise का
Yeah.
chance क्या है इसमें to come to Bollywood?
I think
Big
उसने-
Boss में आ सकता है वो. There could be a challenge for him.
क्या करेगा बिग बॉस में आके
He'll correct Salman Khan.
He'll correct Salman Khan. What will he say? Chuck the fat. What will he say?
Yeah, where are you this weekend? Well, every second weekend he's not there. People are tuning in for him and they find somebody else is there.
हाँ पनवेल ना
Panvel or well, I don't know, but he's not there. Sorry, very bad joke.
well
Oh, Panvel, well, like unwell, well, Panvel, well.
go back to narrating your auto story.
I'll write it down.
Yeah.
For you. So that auto story is a
and-
true story. Yeah? I'm sharing it
I
only
am
with you.
of course it has to be a true story.
And
It
you have to
cannot
tell,
be.
I can't believe in your entire life you've not met a male or female person who's slightly large and stuck, or maybe three stuck, and one is really fat, and that experience must have happened. Yeah.
मैं नहीं देखती हूँ साइड में मेरे बाल होते हैं ना तो I
देखने
don't
की
see
बात नहीं है भाई.
peripheral vision
देखने की बात क्या है?
You
You'll get you'll get hurt. You get hit. You get hit. Guys, you know what I'm talking about, right?
नहीं मैं तो बस शेयर ऑटो में उतना गई नहीं हूँ ना मैं ट्रेन से ही ट्रैवल किया है जिंदगी भर आप इतने गरीब हो साइरस
मैं राउंड मारता है शेयर ऑटो में. I just want the experience. Just enjoy this moment. I actually go and find people.
so in this
Ma'am,
so you
where are you?
happened to her she did not happen to
We
you
are now happily married.
imagine this woman she's like going about her day and there is this creepy Cyrus on the side
Can I tell you why?
just
We had to go to JW married from some Matunga or Malad. Where the hell we were far away, and we had to find the fastest way to go, and that's why we went. This is before the GPS and all this.
okay
So
so
we all
you and
took-
your wife
No, my wife was not there.
that woman
Somebody
the auto
else's
wali
wife.
woman
Yeah.
why were you going with somebody else's wife
She was working in the. I don't want to say more.
Actually, say more.
Not right. But how dare you shame people? How dare you? Next question.
ये मर्डर की बातें बड़े कैजुअली बोल के दिए साइरस जी और ये नहीं can't say more.
I won't
You
say.
could be friends also, no? You can
very
go.
good friends.
Then okay, no?
I mean, now I don't know, but we were very good friends. Bengaluru woman gets 1 lakh after finding prawns in her rupees. I saw this. You saw this?
Yeah, I saw
But
this.
ये मेरे ख्याल से this could be a setup also, na? I
Yeah.
could carry the prawn in my pocket
You know,
or something, boss.
this
The
reveals-
cockroach wala, sorry, तो people have taken the cockroach.
Yeah, but I'll tell you, this reveals more about us Indians than anybody else. Because हम क्या बोलते हैं, हमारे लिए हमारा धर्म सबसे ज्यादा important है. नहीं,
Oh, you
पैसा है.
politicizing it.
Yeah, no, पैसा important है क्योंकि ये स्टोरी पढ़ने के बाद कोई ये नहीं बोला अरे बेचारी के साथ बुरा हुआ. People are like हम कैसे 1 लाख हथिया. You know that is what.
Nice.
People only care
But I
about
think
the 1 lakh.
both मेरे ख्याल से it's too much for the crime. 1 lakh because a prawn was there. 1 lakh for a 145 rupee dish.
एक बार नोटों से अपने आंसू पोंछ के तो देखो. एक बार.
Sorry, demonetization के बाद मैं ऐसा नहीं करता.
क्रेडिट कार्ड से आंसू
I
पोंछ के
respect
तो
the
देखो.
management. But I tell me honestly, if this 1 lakh, I don't know 1 lakh is true. I didn't see the follow-up story, but मेरे ख्याल से 145 रुपी.
मैं ऑनेस्टली बताऊं,
हाँ.
जितना मुझे मेरे लॉयर दोस्तों ने बताया है,
हाँ.
जो सेटल्ड अमाउंट होती है
हाँ.
उससे 5 गुना ज्यादा बजट रहता है.
What are you saying?
या
सच में?
उससे 5 गुना ज्यादा बजट वो कॉर्पोरेट्स का रहता है, बट वो लॉयर कम करा के 1 लाख पे आए. सो एक्चुअली
But why? ये इसमें क्या बड़ा क्राइम है? By mistake this happened, so give the dish again, ना? उसका रिपीट दे दो.
नहीं, बट अरे नो, इफ यू आर वेजिटेरियन और तुम्हारे डिश में प्रॉन्स आ गया, ऑफ कोर्स इट्स मतलब बैड थिंग फॉर
Look
यू,
at the
नो.
scale up that you are doing. You're saying 5 times that is now where?
आई एम गेसिंग द कॉर्पोरेट्स का उससे ज्यादा
let's say
होगा.
3 lakhs. 3 lakhs to pay
So,
for this is
yeah.
ridiculous, yaar. For the crime is not that bad. It may be just a mistake, right? Somebody accidentally has done it. तो जानबूझ के कौन ऐसा करेगा? I don't like Rita on table 3. That come on.
Yeah. But I think like only pure vegetarians can have an opinion on this.
But why? It's not about them.
Yeah. It is about them only.
Why
no?
is it about them? Why should I pay 3 lakhs for this crime? The punishment tomorrow. Do we execute a person who's in a rickshaw and misbehaving? It's not right. I'm sorry to bring it back there, but it's in my head, yaar. How can you? I can't understand how you all are saying this. This is like capital punishment. इसका मतलब क्या है? 145 रुपए का जो dish है, forget veg, non-veg, okay? And there is the wrong dish has come.
Yeah.
And replace the dish.
But in-
apologize. Give 5 free meals. Whatever.
Yeah.
3 lakh rupees I'm getting.
Yeah. You know, Cyrus, good thing you're not a lawyer. You would lose cases so hard.
I will ask for 2
Yeah.
prawns. एक क्यों? Right?
Nobody
Not
will.
friends.
Nobody will hire you. But no, I think.
You're okay with this 3 lakhs?
See,
1 lakh?
I feel
Chalo, 1 lakh, the real one.
I feel I think where people like for them being a pure vegetarian, they link it to their caste. They
What
link
is
it to
pure
their
vegetarian?
प्योर वेजिटेरियन इज बेसिकली कि नॉनवेज हमारे
pure-
आसपास भी होना नहीं चाहिए.
So
प्योर
then they should kill
वेजिटेरियन
us. I mean, honestly, what is pure here? How do you keep it all pure? Kill all the non-veg.
who is politicizing it now?
But this is too much. I've eaten veg meals. I've not asked for the money back. And honestly, I felt like asking, but I've
How
not
can
asked.
you ask it from your wife? But
My wife is kachi.
अच्छा, okay.
Nothing comes back.
Okay.
Please understand. Don't get personal, yaar. Your husband Mallu. Both, there's a lot of stereotypes that you can take. Yeah.
नहीं, but I
I
think
feel it's too much. Anyway,
Yeah,
you're okay with it. But I just want to know
I
from your
see,
side.
I
Are you
feel-
veg?
हाँ, no,
not
not veg.
veg.
As in I was a vegetarian till I was 21 and
No,
then
that
I
is by
started
choice
eating
and all.
chicken.
Are you veg, religious veg, where you know all this happens?
No.
But 1 lakh you feel is fair?
I
If
feel-
you own the restaurant, you'd pay 1 lakh?
I feel loot the corporates. I don't care.
She's a-
See, my thing is
You're a
आज
communist.
प्रॉन्स है कल को कॉकरोच होगा तो you never know. I feel like वो झटका
Don't
होना
become
चाहिए.
animal racist. Whatever that is, that is. I'm just
कॉकरोच
saying,
तो कोई नहीं खाता ना, प्रॉन कोई भी
जो
खाता है.
जो भी है
हाँ.
भाई, अब से at the end of the matter, why should I pay 1 lakh rupees for this? I
Have
don't
you
feel the
put
crime.
prawns in people's food? I think you
My
have.
friend Parag Mehta, we gave him prawns and told him it's paneer. We did not, we kept it white.
See,
only.
that's why I knew it's a personal
But
story.
after 5
Why
vod-
would he care so much about
After 5
corporates?
vodkas, क्या फर्क है?
अच्छा तो उसको पता नहीं है क्या कि उसका भ्रष्ट
Not
हो
then,
चुका
but
है.
later he got a little angry. But he's a sweet
हाँ.
guy. It doesn't matter. All good.
तो you don't have to pay him any money.
Don't tell him now.
We must tell him now.
No. Parag, Vikram did it. I'm not in there.
But you put prawns only in his food.
Bro, we were young and stupid. You do stupid things,
You
yaar.
put lizard and all, no, at least.
Lizard, but we were scared.
Oh, that you were scared.
We were-
उसके लिए
we were
पकड़नी भी
six-
तो पड़ेगी.
6 21-year-olds who'll do the exactly.
That's true. That's true.
Indian male, yaar.
Yeah. Wow.
Done?
Yeah.
Over? Oh, well over 1 hour. I was trying to finish under 1 hour.
Wow.
How much you talked, yeah?
You talk.
You know, like middle finger in the middle and all this nonsense you did.
No, show what that step, middle finger step. Yeah.
I get 80s vibe to it. No? It's like, you
Yeah,
know, like
yeah.
Kalia
Like,
title
ऐसे,
track.
Hi,
Tang,
oh
tang,
Rabba,
tang,
hi,
tang,
oh
tang,
Rabba,
tang,
hi, oh
tang.
Rabba. Hi, oh Rabba, hi, oh Rabba. Like, when you say this, you're like, fuck you. But when you
Yeah,
see,
yeah,
hey,
yeah,
hey,
yeah.
I'm gonna fuck you, it's like that.
Boys, my heart medication will bring it. Can't take so much vulgarity. This young girl has got married and got worse. Yeah, I can't believe it. And your niece is still saying the bad word?
No, she's grown up now.
How old is she?
She is 14 now. She's
And
14.
at that time, how old was she?
At that time, she was 3 or 4.
She was saying, it would be like a
She
cocktail
just said
party
it-
trick, na?
She would
What's
say,
the name?
Huh?
What is the name?
Sanaya.
So Sanaya, you'll be like at the party or the relative
Yeah.
over. Sanaya! Dekha na ek baar.
She would say, no, but not for fuck, but we would like Sanu karke dikha. And she's like, Maggie, because she would love Maggie. But back then we did not
We
know.
had
na.
a joke here.
Kya?
What did you tell me a Maggie story for? I wanted to know if she did the opposite, if she abused. That would be so much fun.
But no, she.
Like किसी का funeral, सब लोग, you know, people are sad.
Yeah.
कुर्ता वुर्ता पहन के.
Yeah.
And suddenly in the middle, someone is trying to say he was a great guy, and she
Yeah.
goes, fuck, 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 fuck. It would be so funny. I mean, it would heal the moment, na? People-
Then we would say, helicopter की आवाज निकल रही है.
Yeah, fuck, 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 fuck. Can I
Yeah.
go, yaar? How much
Yeah.
are we talking?
I thought you were going to close. You can't
No,
expect.
you're
me
the anchor
to.
of the show.
You want me to close?
Yeah.
I am Cyrus.
No, that's
Then?
just a background.
Acha, okay, that's just background.
Who's going to
okay.
change the background? This is India.
Okay.
You know, after the politician leaves the job, also the hoarding is still there, no? Come on.
हाँ, oh like that. Oh, you're a politician. Wow.
I hope one day.
अरे वाह, नमस्ते.
Thank
Yay.
you. Rickshaw mein becha. Tell us if you're performing anywhere or not. We didn't even
Oh
discuss
yes, 23rd November. I'm recording my show,
23rd?
my new stand-up set about my relationship. Please come. If you the 9 p.m. show
Sunday?
is already no Sunday. Yeah. The 9
We'll be
p.m.
gone, no?
9 p.m. show Upmanyu is hosting, but that is already sold out. But 7 p.m. show Atul Khatri is hosting. If you want, you can
Arre
come.
Papa, but the show will air after that.
Oh, it will
Yeah.
air after that, guys. Then
What-
okay, then
no, what's
watch my
next?
video.
So what's next? The week after you have anything? 30th? That's perfect.
I can have मतलब काफी चीजें ऐसी होती रहती है. You guys can check out my page and I keep posting. But I will be releasing my new stand-up video, and with that I will
Which
be
date?
releasing that. I don't know it. Once I get the video,
You
then
come
I'll
back
be
before
able to
that.
figure.
Then.
I'll
It
come
won't
back
happen
before.
the 30th ka week it won't happen, no?
Yeah, no, 30th ka nothing. Yeah. But after that I release my video, and I am going to release like a bunch of videos back to back. And during that time, Jan से I think मेरा tour चालू होगा. Jan Feb से. Come for my shows, come for my solos. Love you.
Use the right finger, no?
Come for my solos.
Come for my solos.
Come for my solos.
Solos.
Please come for my solos. Buy tickets to my show. I will be doing material about my wedding and my husband. Please come. Bye bye. Love you.
Love you? ये ज़्यादा है. Loves you.
Loves you. Darlings loves you. Yeah. Bye bye.
Cyrus says every time, Cyrus says, जब ये कहे तुम सुनो,
प्लीज तमीज से बात करना है ना. इम्पोर्टेंट पीपल यार.